Good day, YouTube. I worked yesterday on my 1991 Ford F-250 5.0 302 EFI engine, and I took my oil pressure switch sending unit out, and as you can tell, some of the sealant was gone on this, which would explain why I might have partly had some oil leaks. But the second thing is, this diaphragm right here is able to slide off. Not good. So this was the part number that I ordered off Rock Auto, and the threads fit my block perfectly to install it. Now, most videos on YouTube that I saw said to use 1 1/16, but this socket failed. I was not able to get a good grip to try to get the socket off, so I would precaution against using this socket. What ended up working out was this Lisle oil pressure switch socket, 13250 part number, and it cost $13 at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Hopefully you can find one that might be cheaper than that. As a small disclaimer, I have not found many Lisle auto parts that are made in this country, but this one is. So, let me explain something here. Yesterday, when I performed this change operation, I used my 3/8 inch drive socket and extension. So this socket is a 3/8 inch drive. But check this out right here. You see how you're able to slide it in there and engage it? That's what I was not able to do with this socket right here. Forgive the quick shot. Do not use this one that I'm wiggling here. Use this Lisle 13250 socket. And for your information, this was a 5 1/4 inch long extension that I used with this socket to get it off. And luckily, for the most part, I was able to hold in this position like this, and I just had to keep a steady input on it so that this whole thing wouldn't fall out due to gravity. But I was able to rotate it like this without hitting my power steering pump. I was close, but I wasn't, and I didn't even have to take the oil filter off my engine. But this was my recipe for doing it. And you can use any 3/8 inch drive extension you want, but 5 1/4 is what I used with this Lisle oil pressure switch socket. So that's what I wanted to make sure you knew in this video if you're about to do this job on your F-Series Ford 150, 250, 350. Thank you.